Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video, and I would like to say something about in this area. Okay, so dear lovely friends, today in this moment actually I have come here and this place, and as we can see, this is our village environment actually in front of village, and village environment so very amazing and look like very green all around site. Okay, so now I'm going to in our mustard field and I will visit our mustard field. Okay, so as you can see, this is our mustard field, and after few days ago I can saw, and this mustard flower actually look like very yellow color, and now this flower already I can't see because, and now I can see this mustard like actually mustard is called, I don't know exactly, so it's, I think, mustard. So as we can see, very good condition nowadays. So dear brother, all around side only mustard. Okay, and now I'm standing here in front of you and in front of camera, and I making I'm making video, and it's the evening time, and sun, this sun setting now. Wow, very red color actually, sun now red color because now the sun setting now. Okay, so dear friends, and nowadays I can't make English blog video because nowadays actually my health condition so not good, so that is why I can't make English blog video. Not only English blog video but also Bengali blog video I can't make because I stay my home, only stay my home because our health condition so not good. And my another problem, my actually family condition nowadays very crisis, so that is why I uh, don't go any other place. By the way, uh, tomorrow and I will again start my video for every day make a video. Okay, so dear brother, actually English actually continuously practice, so that is why you will be able for learning English. So my English not regularly practice because when I start English regularly practice, so one or other problem face, so that is why I can't practice every single day. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.